Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So welcome back after really a long time. So the reason why I'm making today's video is to review our new electric cycle or electric bike, you can call it. The brand name is Switch. So let's go and I'll show you. So just a clarification, I'm not doing any paid video or paid review. I'll be just expressing my honest opinion about this cycle. So basically, to start with, the name is Switch. It is a Ahmedabad, Gujarat based startup, and there are three models in this: Switch MXE, Switch XE, and Switch XE Plus. Switch MXE is around 55,000, Switch XE is around 85,000, Switch XE Plus is around 1 lakh. Ours is Switch XE old model, so we got it around 65,000. The most attractive part of this cycle is its tires. Obviously, these are all-terrain tires, all-terrain fat tires. You can see, I believe they are about 20 inches. And obviously this is a foldable cycle. You can fold the cycle and keep it in your car's trunk. For example, if you want to go to Bhutna Lake or Begum Talab and you don't want to ride your cycle till there, you can fold it and keep it in your car's trunk and go there, then ride it and keep it back in your car's trunk and come back home. But note, it won't fit into hatchback cars trunk. It will fit into SUV and sedan cars trunk, because while taking the delivery we took our hatchback Chevrolet Beat, so that time it didn't fit there. That's why I'm telling you. And this is the only cycle in India which can be foldable. In Denmark there's a cycle brand called as Mate, MATE, and in England there's a cycle brand called as Rocket. Those both are, all these three are similar, they have all similar features. Mate in Denmark, Rocket in England, and the Switch in India. Now let me tell you guys some features about this cycle. The battery is located here. As I told you, it's an electric cycle. You can pedal the cycle and even you can accelerate the cycle whenever you want. For example, if you go to a lake or somewhere, you can enjoy a ride beside the lake with pedaling. Then when you get tired, when you're coming back home, you can accelerate and come back home. Actually, the battery of this model is 9.6 Ah, but the owner was very much kind to us. He upgraded us the battery and gave 11.6 Ah. You can see the speedometer here, kilometer per hour, and how much total kilometer we did. This is the pedal assist here, and this is the battery, how much is left. For every 70 kilometers you need to charge. Means how much you accelerate. If you accelerate for 70 kilometers, you need to charge. The full charge will be done in 3 to 4 hours. Since the delivery of this cycle, we never charged it because it was fully charged when they gave us, and since 3 days we didn't use the accelerator, we were just using the pedal, so we never got an opportunity to charge the cycle. And the tires are anti-puncture tires, not tubeless tires. And the gear, there are 7 gears. You can change the gear here. They have given a mobile holder in case you're going out station or somewhere. And what else? And they gave us the mudguard for free as an extra accessory. They even gave us the bulb here, and we are supposed to fix another bulb here. We will fix that soon. This is 300 volt bulb. The XE Plus, the 1 lakh switch, that has 700 volt bulb, and ours is 300 volt. So the difference between this and that is not much, just that their range is around 100 kilometers, ours mine is 70 kilometers, and bulb is more powerful in that XC plus 1 lakh cycle one. And this is black and white speedometer. In XC plus the color speedometer will come, so these are the quite a few changes which you will get to see in XC plus. So this is the horn of the vehicle, and this is the light. Actually this is my mother's cycle. She got it because, again I told you that the same thing, the acceleration and the pedaling thing, she was looking for this type of cycle since a long time. Recently I saw a Instagram photo in from the Rajshri tires. They are the official dealer of the Switch cycle in Bijapur. So we took a test ride last month, and this month we got the cycle, because whenever she gets tired, she can accelerate the cycle. Obviously most of the time she will be pedaling only, so that's the big plus. Whenever we want we can accelerate, and whenever we want we can exercise with pedaling. One disadvantage of this electric cycle is that actually we are the first customer of Bijapur, so no one has actually seen the bike in Bijapur, the electric cycle or electric bike in Bijapur. So everyone will stop you in the middle of the ride. They'll ask you what's the price of this, and how much kilometer per charge. So all those questions, the same question everyone will ask. So I think that's the only disadvantage of this electric cycle. It has 1 year warranty in all the items like brakes, handlebars, battery, and they have given a book also for all the instruction and everything. I'm sure everyone enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video, share the video, comment down below your opinions, and if you have any queries, or if you want to ask me anything, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can comment down below. I'll reply there. So until next time, take care, bye bye, spread love, spread positivity.